Beyond Technologies is a professional services firm with more than 200 employees across 4 different countries. We've got an office in Canada, Paris, the States, and one in South Africa as well.
The biggest challenge we have today by far is managing growth. We're growing very fast. We need to have support from systems that allow us to grow fast.
Our main business objective is operational efficiency. We must have online, real-time financial statement with revenue recognition and also consolidation of all our companies.
With S/4HANA Cloud, we can expand our company faster. We can have more companies added and geographical locations supported. We have very low cost of ownership. We are running the best solution in the market, and we are letting SAP innovate for us, and we can focus on the core business. If you look at the roadmap, we can already plan for machine learning, we can plan for blockchain. All these innovations that have been introduced by SAP allow us to innovate very, very fast with very little work.
Everything is about integration. SAP SuccessFactors integrated to S/4HANA Cloud. SAP Concur connected to S/4HANA Cloud. Having those 3 systems connected together is fantastic for us. What is great for our employees is that they're able to use the latest and the best technology in the world.